guys, welcome back. Wait, am I telling you to welcome back with? Doesn't make sense. But yeah, that's how you say it. Welcome back, everyone. No, it's me that I'm woken. Girl, I'm forgetting. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting hot today. So I was like, you know what? I need to get it together and film something. At least one video, okay? So I put some earrings on, a little bit of lip gloss. Oh, I love this one. I forgot about it. It's the Hamish. This one, like, it was stuck in the drawer. This was from last year. I got it like around winter time. And this is in the shade red. But it doesn't look red. It's more like a reddish, brownish orange. But it's a very glossy lip without being thick. It's very moisturizing and it smells good and it tastes good. It reminds me of the 2000s whenever girls would wear a lot of lip gloss like this. The shade, the colors. I was a little girl, so obviously I wouldn't wear it, but one of my favorite movies as a kid growing up was Bratz, and the Bratz actresses had similar lip shades. Maybe I'll insert it here. And I remember watching that movie. I was like, I want that lip gloss. I want that so bad. Remember when Jade or Yasmin, both of them were in the restroom, and this was whenever they grew apart. Like, they stopped being friends, they stopped talking. You know how it is in high school, that drama. So they happened to meet up in the same restroom at the same time. Not me getting excited. I love that movie. I watched it like 20 times or more, I don't know. Anyways, and I have it. Okay, so remember Jade was talking to her and Yasmin, and they were in the restroom mirror applying lip gloss, and it was like the similar shade like this. So I was like, I don't know where they sold them at that time. I was a little girl. I was like 10, 11, I don't forget. But this took me back those years when I was like, I want that lip gloss so bad, like the same shade, the same formula, and this one happens to be a close match. So if you ever wondered what lip gloss were the Bratz girls wearing, like, it's this one probably. Okay, I just wanted to do this quick mini like review. It's because it's like a treasure find to me. I don't know, it's me, I'm a nerd like when it comes to like movies and like also makeup. So I'm like, I want to recreate that look. I even recreated a Bratz clown makeup look whenever they were at a Sweet 16 party, right? And then Sasha had this yellow clown makeup look. All of the girls had clown makeup and outfit, but I was like, I need to recreate it. And like a few years ago I did it, so it's on here. I even did a tutorial, but anyways, so yeah, just wanted to mention this. I forgot how much it costs. I'll put it in the description. Probably not too expensive, but listen, you need to get it. Like the shade and the formula, like, okay, anyways, so I wasn't even gonna talk about this, but it, like,